Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit pictures in PPTs or in PowerPoint presentations. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I have PowerPoint launched up, and this is a bit of an older version. I'm pretty sure this is PowerPoint 2010. However, it'll serve this purpose just fine. What you want to do to edit photos is first go into the insert tab. As you can see here, click on picture and then import whichever picture you want. I'll import this picture of a dog, and as you can see, I have it imported and I have it selected by clicking on it. If I click off of it, it'll be deselected, but you want it to be selected. Once you select it, you'll have this format tab, which you can very easily use, and here you have a lot of options which you can do. You can crop the image like so by clicking on crop and dragging these around. As you can see, I can crop the picture very easily. I can drag it out to the size it was before, and that is pretty much how you edit it. And that way you can choose any one of these formats with frames and other things which you can very easily use to edit the picture in whichever way you want. You might need to crop it a bit so that these borders fit well, and if I, for example, take these edges, as you can see, it has edited it and added sort of a white border. It doesn't look the best, but it is still there. You can add a picture border or a border for the picture yourself if you want to. Just click here, click red, and as you can see, now it has a border, and you can do a lot of different things. You also have effects which you can very easily apply, such as this sort of paintbrush effect. Call it whatever you want, but yeah, in essence, that is pretty much how you edit your photos in PowerPoint. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.